Hi, welcome to this Power BI tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you like how to add a new row in Power BI. Let me open the Power BI and let me close this first. So I will just open a new Power BI file and then I will click on the data so that I can enter a new data over here in the table. Let's call this table name as employees, and I'll just add some column names. So it has employee ID and then employee name, and then it has employee. Let me add some data. So it has one, then let's call employee name as Tom, then second is Alex, and let me load this so I can show you like how we can add another new row to this table. So it will ask me for pending changes in the queries. So it will load that particular table for me. Now I have this table, and like when I pull this table, I can see like I have this employee ID and employee name. Let me get in the table format and just customize it. Uh, so I'll just increase the size for the values, and then for the column headers. Now, I have only two employees. Like you may need to input new records to this particular table. So how do you do that? So for doing this, just go into the click on the edit queries. In the edit queries, once you click on, it will take you to this query editor page. Then go on the right hand side of this pane on the query settings and click on this gear icon, so that this will help you to add a new row to this particular table. So this will just give you this particular format, and just go and click and on the third row and add a new employee record. So I've just added the new employee record as David, and click on OK, and then just go and close and click on close and apply, and then it will just refresh the same table for you. And you see like it has now added a new row. In similar way, like you can add further records like if you need. So this is the way like you can add new records to a particular table in Power BI when you're maintaining that particular table in your particular format. Thank you for watching this video.